Hey friends, Leigh Brown with One Community Real Estate, and welcome back to my Spotlight on Local Business. Now, the local business day is a little bit different because they are selling items. They are in a beautiful storefront right here on Spring Street in downtown Concord. However, this is different because when you buy things here, you're supporting a ministry, and it's wildly important, not just in Cabarrus County, but all over the place. This is sponsored by Present Age Ministries, and they combat human trafficking. So I'm in Restoration Market, again, right here on Spring Street, just down from Union and right off of Cabarrus. You're gonna find really cute women's clothing in here. So by the way, ladies, if you're watching this and you've got cute stuff yourself, you don't have to donate it to the Goodwill. They're lovely, but you can bring it over here and you can come shop in here and find cute brands. The pricing is super easy to understand because they have a little color dot system. They got Coach pocketbooks and Lilly Pulitzer. So if you are kind of bougie but don't want to spend a lot of money on it, you can come in here, and then every dollar is going to support Present Age Ministries, which is a 501c3. So you can walk in here and make a donation too, that's fine. And what you should know is that North Carolina has a lot of human trafficking going on, but one of the hubs is right in Concord at Concord Mills Mall. We have got to work together to stop this scourge in our society that is damaging girls, damaging humans, frankly damaging all of us, because it's just straight up evil. So what I want you to know is that you can be a supporter of that by bringing your donations here. You can come in, and let's just say you're feeling your heart tugged by what's going on right now. They got a prayer request jar right here, so you can pray for somebody. You can drop off your prayer request. You can put a sticker on your vehicle, get you a t-shirt, get your church involved, bring your church over here and say, how can we volunteer and help out? But there's so many things we can do. The most important one is something. I don't care what the something is that you do, but get yourself involved, because working together, we can put a stop to sex trafficking, and it may as well start right here in downtown Concord. So come support Restoration Market, and remember, when we take care of the girls we've never met, we're gonna change somebody else's life forever.